15 minutes later. All the water's run off. Everything is in its queue. A little bit of standing water there, but it's draining into here. After here, we got no water, no standing water at all until you get to the pond. And then after the pond, no water running. Until you get down here and you see the tiny little creek. And that's going into the rain garden.